Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply to jobs in Amazon warehouse in UK. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Amazon jobs and then open the first link. Now you can see hourly jobs from the warehouse floor to customer doorsteps. You press on find your role. Now you scroll down, you will see view United Kingdom jobs and then press on join Amazon now, and then you need to input the zip code of your area and then choose how many hours a week do you want to work, any or full-time or part-time, whichever suitable to you, and then press on skip. And then you can see how long are you planning to work at Amazon, permanent more than 3 months or fixed term 3 months or less, and then press on choose one of those and then press on done. Now you need to input your email or phone number and then you can sign up for job alerts, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.